Hello, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from PhilEmploy Agency in the Philippines, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm Vincent Kimidat, ma'am. I'm 39 years old. Um, I have two kids and I live in General Trias, Cavite.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single or married?
Married, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
February 23, 1985
What is your height and your
and
weight?
5'6", 98 LBS, ma'am.
Sorry? What is your weight?
98.
98.
98, ma'am.
98 or 60?
Ay, kilos, ma'am, kilos.
Yes, yes.
60, ma'am, kilos.
60 kj. 60, yeah?
Apo.
Okay. What is your
Yes,
religion?
ma'am.
What is your
Catholic,
religion?
ma'am.
Roman Catholic. What about your
Catholic,
educational
high school grad.
high school graduate? So you mentioned that you have two children, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, this is your first time working abroad. Who will going to take care of your children?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, one children is separated me because she is live in with your partner.
Oh,
And my son in Manila,
she's with her. He's with his father.
no, ma'am. Schooling, ma'am.
Schooling. Okay. So is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia? Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes,
So,
okay. It's okay. It's okay. So do you have any working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
yes, ma'am. Almost 2020.
So
Well, 2003, 2002. Pero ma'am.
so 2002 to 2003. You work for 1 year or 2 years?
2 years, ma'am.
So 2001 to 2003 you work as a housemaid for 2 years. Okay, can you describe
Yes,
what
ma'am.
are your duties there to your previous employer?
Um, um, cook and cook, ma'am, and this one washing her clothes and um, cleaning her house and yes, yun, ma'am. Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you take care any children, elderly?
Um, yes, ma'am.
How old is the children you take care?
5 and sometimes 7. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Vincent, being domestic helper is very tough, right? And you also didn't experience working in any other countries. This is your first time working abroad. So, you might experience. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as I have mentioned, you might experience those that you didn't experience in Philippines while working here in Malaysia. So you need to get ready, you need to prepare yourself, okay?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you prepared for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Okay, are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Filipino cook.
Okay. Can you
And
caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. Basta,
Yes. Okay. So you
yes,
have a two
ma'am.
years contract and you need to finish that. Otherwise, if you breach your contract, you know what will be the consequences, right? You need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here and you were the one who decided to come and work to find money to sustain your family's needs, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you aware also in usage of mobile handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working. But rather than, you can hold it during nighttime only, like 2 to 3 hours, to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, are you sure?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
okay, so I just wanted to make it clarify from you. I don't want later that once you reach here in Malaysia, you complain to us, ma'am, I don't know the rules of usage of mobile handphone, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
on your rest day also, you have a once a week rest day, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house and you cannot go out. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800 ringgit for every month. But if you will work on your rest day, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so how will you fight your homesickness, Vincent? Because this is your first time working abroad.
Um, ano tawag dito?
Yeah, how
Yung
will you gonna
mawili
overcome
ako
your
sa,
homesickness? No, please speak in English because the employer cannot
I'm busy
understand
to my,
Tagalog.
work. I'm busy
Please,
to my work.
okay, you will focus on working to what is your homesickness. Is
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Okay, why you didn't choose to go in Singapore or Hong Kong, Vincent?
To my children, ma'am.
No, I mean, why you choose Malaysia? Why you didn't go in Singapore or Hong Kong knowing that they have higher salary than here in Malaysia?
Because ma'am, Philippines and Malaysia is same time.
Same time. That's the
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
Okay. So, Vincent, as I have told a while ago, for those candidate that applying here, working in Malaysia, I would like to let you know that this is not Philippines, okay? In Philippines, we might be a boss, but in any other countries, so we need to humble ourselves. We need to follow the rules and regulations of employer. Every employer got different rules and regulations, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
A well-mannered person, you can go anywhere and everywhere, but being a well-mannered person is very important, okay? Attitude-wise is very important for us, okay? Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will
Thank,
going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
and have
ma'am.
a good
Okay, ma'am.
day. Bye.